What's the meaning of caving? Caving. Caving.
Caving. Caving. Caving refers to the activity of exploring and navigating through natural underground caves or caverns. Participants often use specialized equipment such as helmets, ropes, and lights to safely traverse these environments, which can contain unique geological formations and ecosystems. The experience of caving can be physically demanding and mentally challenging, requiring climbers to navigate tight spaces and difficult terrain. However, it can also be a rewarding adventure that offers a glimpse into the hidden wonders of the natural world. Overall, caving can provide a thrilling and unforgettable experience for those willing to venture into the depths underground.